and far away, dissolve and quite forget what thou among the leaves hast never known, the weariness, the fever, and the fret, here where men sit and hear each other groan, where palsy shakes a few sad last grey hairs, where youth grows pale and spectre thin and dies, where but to think is to be full of sorrow and leaden eyed despairs, where beauty cannot keep her lustrous eyes, O new love pine at them beyond tomorrow. Away, away, for I will fly to thee. Away, away, for I will fly to thee, not charioted by Bacchus and his pets,